that life is something. Life is something. This biomolecule, life molecules, life is something that has started millions and trillion years ago with these molecules. With these molecules, these molecules assemble. Some scientists have on the view that the organic evolution. Organic evolution means that these same molecules have assembled in the trillion of years and they started the life. Second thing, second thing you will be knowing if you will analyze. Just we will study all these things. If in Charias, yes, Asma Javed, if you will analyze the human tissue, if you will extract a tissue from the human being, from a living thing, and compensate or they compare rather they come sorry rather they compare with the non-living thing, that is the earth. That is the earth. You will find in both the things. Human tissue, it is made, there is an abundance of this carbon, hydrogen, and the oxygen, and you can analyze the earth as piece of the soil. If you take a late phase and will study its nature, chemical nature, you can find all these things: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But it is very abundant in the living, so it, because there is a requirement of the metabolic activities, there is an abundance requirement of it, and the low abundance you can see in the earth. और इससे ये बात भी क्लियर हो जाती है, we have the belief that the human beings has made from the earth. It has been made from the soil. Asma Javed, didn't we believe upon it that it has been made from the soil? Asma Javed in Shariaz, am I clear? Yes. So these chemicals are found in the soil as non-living things as well as the living things. So this shows that the earth, that the life has perhaps being evolved from these non-living things, and these non-living things are known as the biomolecules, life molecules. Right? Is this clear? Is this clear? This is just an introduction. This biomolecules actually, Insha, Asma Javed, you are studying them. You are studying them in what? In biochemistry. In biochemistry, there is an other way, right? What is the biochemistry? It is the study of the biological chemistry. You did study there the biological chemistry, the chemical compounds, the molecules that are found in the human life, it are in the living, rather in the living things. Those chemicals we did study in the chemistry, and that is a biochemistry, and that is a or simply we call it a biological chemistry, isn't it? But here in the biomolecule, we study in the prospect, in the aspects of the life, in the aspects of the life. So the chemical processes that are going on in the body are because of these molecules that is the life is made up of. That the life is made up of. Right? Understand, Asma? Asma, understand? Asma, understand? Insha, understand? Right? Shall we move? Shokina, Bhat Nasir, Masrat Muhammad. Right? Shall we move forward? Is this crystal clear to you? Right? If we will study, if we will study this cell, Asma Javed, if we will study this cell, what is this cell? Cell is made up of crystals. It is in the form of the crystal and the colloid. It is in the form of the crystal and the colloid. Some things are in the crystal form and some are in the colloidal form. So we will call it, it exists in a crystal colloid. A cell exists in a crystal colloid. What we have studied just now, that is the molecules have assembled in and they formed the cell, a basic unit of the life. And what is the cell? It is the formation of the crystal and the colloid. It is the formation of the crystal and the colloid. And these crystal colloid, it comprises about more than 5,000 chemicals. It comprises about the 5,000 chemicals, and it forms the life processes. It forms the life process. This crystal and the colloidal form of these chemical 5,000 chemicals, it is known as a cell pool. I am writing very important on the cell pool. Cell pool. Right? I am saying the sum total of the biochemical substances, The sum total of a, please you can take down it, Asma Javed, please take down it. It is the sum total of the various chemical substances present in a cell. Cell pool is cell pool or the sum total of various biochemical substances present in a cell. And how many are they? They are about 5,000. In what form? They are in the crystal colloidal form. They are in the crystal as well as a colloidal form. Right? Asma Javed, now clear to you? Asma Javed, now clear. But Nasir, there comes some sort of noise. From your side, there comes some sort of noise. Please shut the door of your study room as well as the windows and remain silent here so that there will be no external interference in your room. Right? So, right. Right, very good. I am repeating it. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. I am saying, what is the cellular pool? What is the cellular? I have logically given you that the what does the biomolecules mean? What is made up of the life? We have seen that the life is made up of about the 5,000 chemicals, and these chemicals are an average of the 5,000. These form the 5,000, and it forms a cell. I am repeating it. I am repeating it. Biomolecules form the basis of the life. And what is the basis of the life? It is a cell. What is in the cell? Crystal colloidal. What is the cell? It is in the crystal colloid. And what are the crystal colloids? They are about the 5,000 chemicals. And what this chemical 5,000 chemicals form? It forms the cell pool. It forms a cell pool. What is a cell pool? I have given you the definition. The total sum total of the various biochemical substances. The total biochemical substances in a cell is called the cell pool. Insha Abrar Bhat Nasir, Asma, did you listen it? Did you listen to it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now understand. Now understand. Now understand. Now I will repeat it. If you will say, I will repeat it. Yes, please. I will repeat it again if you will say. Right. ये जो cellular pool होता है, this cellular pool मैंने बताया, all the chemical processes, all the chemical substances present in a cell is the cell pool. I am repeating it for you. I am repeating. Listen it and concentrate, and then learn it in your mind. The total chemical substances present in a cell. How many chemicals are these? They are 5,000. And what is, yes, and what is, what in what form they are? They are in a crystal colloidal form. Crystal colloidal form. And it forms, what it forms? It forms a cell pool. ये जो crystal colloidal form है, these substances, 5,000 substances, some are in the aqueous phase, some are in the aqueous phase, means the chemicals are dissolved in a water. The chemicals are dissolved in a liquid, that means the aqueous phase. And some are in the non-aqueous phase. Some are in the aqueous phase, the chemicals that are dissolved in the water are in the aqueous phase, and some they do not dissolve in a water, they are the non-aqueous phase. Understand, right? Cellular.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the aqueous phase? What is the aqueous phase? We will find the salt, glucose, amino acids. These are dissolved in the water and it forms the aqueous phase. Non-aqueous phase, the cellular structures. The cellular structures that are not dissolved in the water or the liquid, and that is the non-aqueous phase. That is a non phos for example, phospholipid. Phospholipid, it forms the plasma membrane. It forms the plasma membrane and it is not dissolved in the water, so it is a non-aqueous. Right? Right, clear? Asma Javed, I am repeating it. Please listen. This is a very difficult, but if you will understand, it is the simplest topic. What is it? What is cellular pool? The total 5,000 chemicals. that are in the crystal colloidal forms the cell pool. How, in what state they are in the cell pool? They are crystal colloidal form. They are in the aqueous and the non-aqueous form. What is the aqueous form? Those substances that are dissolved in the liquid or the water, they are known as the aqueous form. Like we can say the sugar, like we can say the salt in the cells, and they form the aqueous form. Non-aqueous form, those structures. This means the structures, cell structures that are not dissolved in the liquid, they are in the non-aqueous phase. Right? Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So we can see that the cell biomolecule we are studying biomolecule, yeah, all the compounds. Biomolecules, if we can define Asma Javed, biomolecules that we are going to study, biomolecules, all these compounds. What are these compounds? These are the compounds, these are the compounds of the carbon. These are the compounds of the carbon chain, right? Carbon compounds we get from the living cells, we get from the living tissues, can be called the biomolecules. हमने वहां पर दी थी इसको स्प्लिट किया था बायो लाइफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. बट व्हाट आर द बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स? These are the carbon compounds. Carbon is carbon chain you will find for the every molecule, every organic compound. So and it is the biomolecules or the all the carbon compounds we find in a cell or in a tissue or in a tissue. And these biomolecules are in two forms. These biomolecules are in two forms. One are the organic biomolecules, and the second is the inorganic biomolecules. One is the organic molecules, and the second is an inorganic molecules. Asma Javed, I have studied up to this time cellular pool, crystal colloidal form, the total number of the aqueous phase, the non-aqueous phase. Right? We have studied the biomolecules. Biomolecules do exist in a simple tissue in two forms. In two forms. One is the organic, and again, second is an inorganic. Asma Javed, I will understand like you this. Please understand like this. If we will take Asma Javed, right, right. Asma Javed, what it is known as the Insha, what is this? What is this? What is this?
जिसमें चटनी बना
Huh?
कोच
Bek aşı başkan?
नीम
Right. Koşur pöt kaç vanat? Bat Nasir? Kaj vartı?
कोच
Very good. Mare Shekil is the best. Mare Shekil is knowing. Kaj the kaj vort. Bat Nasir one. Kaj vort him to kaj. Shabash. Each of one is atmas kya banawa? ये है को you could may understand in your book Maria ka insha Asma Javed, what it is in called in your language? What did you call in it?
उखल
Ukhar. तुसी तो उखर बोल दे. Ukhar.
यस
Very तुसी उखर बोल दे तो I will write it here. Yes.
उखल
Right, very good. Ukhar. Maria Insha, did you listen about what this is called? It is called the ukhar in there. And what did you call it in the English? Asma Javed? Mortar with? Mortar is this. This is a mortar. What is this? Very good, very good, very good. Mortar with Faisal, Asma Javed in Sharias. Mara Shekil, excellent, super excellent. You are knowing it. And the Kashmiri is a difficult, but before you, the English is the easiest. Very good. I am telling you this example in Sharias, Maria, that simple. We will take the living tissue. We will take the living tissue in the every lunch. Maria, this is our way of life. When you do not find the tasty food, when you do not find the tasty food in your home, what did you do? But Nasir, what your mama do if you complain that this today the dishes are not about my taste? Then what did you do? Very good, Maria Shakil. Maria Shakil is Inshariaz, very good. Cut is बनाओ आज से cut बनाओ इस क्या बनाओ इस नमो tissue आख नमो इस क्योंकि इस एनिमल स्टडी करा इस नमो tissue आख क्या नमो इसे यूस इस पगा ईज पैटे ऐसी ज़्यादा मास समान कार पैटे बज ईद अल अज़हा पैटे समा ऐसे ज्यादा माज तम दो दगान यह क्या दगान यह अगर ग्राइंडर सह ग्राइंडर दगान तो वो ज्यादा पहन क्या यह मोटार एंड ए पिसल या उखर वन या कच तो काजोट वन ठीक ये आनो आनो टिश्यू दगो ये मज बह हामो तह बायोमालिक्यूल क्या गो यह ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक क्या गो क्या करो वी विल ग्राइंड इट वी विल इफ यू हैव द ग्राइंडर एट होम सिंपल. So what happens, Asma, Insha, and Maria? What happens here when we will grind a completely a tissue from taken the animal? It can be also the plant leaf, right? But we are discussing about the animals. We will take the animal tissue, right? When we will take the animal tissue, we grind it completely and wind it. But use Marian, we will know that is known as a celery. राइट क्या वना सैलरी बनाओ यानी इस बनाओ अत पेस्ट क्या बनाओ पेस्ट ये पेस्ट करो लेबोरेटरी मज एसिड तथ वन ट्राइक्लोरो एस्टिक आई विल राइट इट इज फार्मूला Maria, I will write its formula Cl3COOH. Cl3COOH means the trichloroacetic acid. दपा रलाव यह कत सह टिश्यू ग्राइंड कोर कंप्लीटली पेस्ट यह रलाव Cl3COH ठीक अम पत आनो टेस्ट ट्यूब या बीकर आनो कथ समझ क्या आनो बीकर आनो अत मज त्रो फिल्ट्रेट त्रो यह फिल्टर पेपर आनो लगाओ यत या आनो तुहज क्या डुप्ट आनो क्या लगाओ यार या काटन त्रो क्या त्रो काटन त्रो काटन त्रो डुप्ट त्रो तो अनो चीज फिल्टर ये वन चीज गूर चीज बनावा राइट यह पेस्ट ट्राइक्लोरो एस्टिक एसिड रलो बे बनो यह सेलरी बनो तो यह करो फिल्टर क्या करो फिल्टर क्या करो फिल्टर दपा इम पेस्ट मज हसा वस और योर बीकरस मज यह ग फिल्टर वस योर क्या योर यथ क्या वनान Asma Javed, what it is called? What is this called? Asma Javed, what will be this called? That the filtrate will come down on in the beaker. What it will be called? It is called the filtrate. It is called the filtrate. And what remains upon this filter paper? What it will be called? It is called the filtrate. What will be this called as? This will be the material that will come down into the beaker. It is known as a filtrate. What remains in this funnel? What it is known as? It is known very good. It is known as a retentate. It is known as a what? Retentate. Sabia, very good. It is very good. Retentate. I am writing it here. I am writing retentate. I am writing it here. This is known as a retentate. ठीक है ये समझो यत बट ना नासिर एवरीबडी प्लीज लिसन इट युस ये बुनकुन वो फिल्ट्रेट छना यानी इस वनो सिंपली युम जना फिल्ट्रेट छ युस जना फिल्ट्रेट छना ये फिल्ट्रेट छ युम जना स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स तुम वसना बुनकुन फिल्टर गसना तुम युम जना हिरकुन तुम बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स एनिमल टिश्यू छ इमकुई बन्यामुत animal tissue imkui banamut. These the filtrate that come down are known as the macromolecules. molecules, and the filtrate that and the retentate or the substances that remain in the panel. We called it as a retentate. They are the macromolecules.
Micro.
The filtrate, or the microbiomolecules, and the retentate or the macromolecules. Right? कत आया समझ तो
Yes, sir.
everybody filtrate क्या है
Yes, sir.
filtrate क्या है asma javed asma javed micro and inshariaz what is in the panel and what are these macromolecules दपान युस ये filtrate ओस युस ये filtrate ओस ये गो ना अत ट्राइक्लोरो एस्टिक एस्टेस मज गो ना ये soluble ये गो ना अत मज soluble तेली वोता ये बुन ये बुन कि ना युस ये filtrate ओस ये गो ना ट्राइक्लोरो एस्टिक एस्टेस मज गो ना ये soluble तेली वोता ये filter paper मज बुन Asma Javed, did you understand me? Please understand the logic. Please understand the logic. Then you will understand the biomolecules. And it is written. Some questions has been asked about these. This has been discussed in your NCRT. Use as a filtrate use. You what sui bon use zana dissolve go katmans tricolor acetic estes man soluble osanta to at filtrates या macromolecules is wana imanas acid soluble molecules वनो सा ब्याख नाव acid soluble molecules क्या वनो इमन ऐसे acid soluble molecules but Nasir आपके यहाँ sure मैंने आप I have given you the warning that some noise is coming from your side it is disturbing us का asma right मैंने filtrate के 3 नाम दिए one is the filtrate what are the other two names sorry
Biomolecules and soluble molecules.
Right? One is the microbiomolecules and the second is they are the acid soluble molecules. Right? And what remained in the funnel? What remained in the funnel? They were insoluble. They were insoluble in the trichloroacetic acid. And we will call it as an acid insoluble molecules. Retentate, macromolecules, and they are also the insoluble yes insoluble acid molecules right
Yes, sir.
acid insoluble molecules right Asma Javed please repeat what we will take received in the beaker and what is in the funnel Asma Javed
बीकर में फिल्ट्रेट होता है उसे माइक्रोबायोमोलिक्यूल्स भी कहते हैं एसिड सॉल्युबल मॉलिक्यूल्स भी कहते हैं और जो फनल पर रह जाता है उसे कहते हैं रिटेंटेट कहते हैं माइक्रो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स भी कहते हैं और एसिड इनसॉल्युबल मॉलिक्यूल्स भी कहते हैं
very good Insha did you understand Maria did you understand Masrat Muhammad Sabia Maria Shakil did you all understand ab tak what we studied right इसी तरह से आप समझ पाएंगे when there is a logic you can understand all these things see जो ऊपर फनल में रह गया इनका वेट अगर देखेंगे हम इनका मारा शकेल what is the molecular weight unit in which unit we are describing the molecular weight Daltons Marish, very good Daltons. Yus es herken yurud as fanliman asma Javed, yus es herken fanliman root, yani retentate. Ach which as molecular weight that is about 10,000 Daltons. I am writing it here about 10,000 Daltons. कितना था ये about 10,000 Daltons the retentate The retentate does contain the molecules that have the molecular weight about the 10,000 daltons, right? And the filtrate that came down, that are acid solubles, do have the weight from the 18 daltons up to 1000. But remember it, Asma Javed, Insha, Maria Shakil, please, Masrat Muhammad, please remember it. In your books, there has been written as the 800, but it is actually the 1000 daltons. Don't get confused when you will study the NCRT book. Don't get confused there. So it is 18 to 1000 daltons. I am repeating it. The retentate contains the molecules that have the 10,000 about daltons molecular weight. The filtrate has 18 to 1000 molecular weight, daltons molecular weight, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Very good, very good. Asma Javed, I have logically defined explaining you, but understand it, right? Filtrate and this filtrate and right, very good. I have in my book perhaps in my library, so right, leave this, we can discuss it again, right? Understand it. See, Asma Javed, Maria, what is here now? What is here, Asma Javed, now? See, the retentate, which has above the 10,000 daltons molecular weight, right, contains the molecules that have higher molecular weight, like the proteins, nucleic acids, proteins, and the nucleic acids, and the polysaccharides. I am writing here the retentate that has a molecular weight about the 10,000 daltons contains the molecule like the proteins, right? These proteins and nucleic acids. I am writing in nucleic acids and the polysaccharides. And I am writing in a small ps and a proteins. Right, Asma Javed? Did you understand? Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. वो अगर ऐसे यानी यम बनाए तेल क्या यम को molecules बनाए Asma Javed? Which molecules are now there? Which molecules are now there?
Macromolecules.
They are the macromolecules. Proteins, nucleic acids, and polysaccharides are the macromolecules. Wazana wusho es written dates mas. Wazana wusho es written yikor es hand filled test. That this has been written in your book, sir. That is why we have to discuss it. Necessarily we have to discuss. Acha wuchara wusho es yaman zana 1000 tamat osa dalton with tatmans kya wush es tatmans wush es ak minerals. Of which minerals, which automatically there will be the water. ठीक है ना? They will just simple sugars, disaccharides, monosaccharides. Yel तुम रले तुम बने polysaccharides सब बने macromolecules. Simple sugars, minerals, water. Which has cut mans filtrates mans, and they form what? They form what? Asma Javed? They form what? Macromolecules.
Micromolecules.
Right? So we can here take it that the biomolecules are in the two forms in our tissue. One is the organic and the second is the inorganic. And the biomolecules are in the form of the micromolecules like the simple sugars, minerals, water. They are in the form of the macromolecules like the proteins, polysaccharides, nucleic acids. Right? Understand? Understand? How we can differentiate in between this filtrate and the retentate, the organic and the inorganic compounds, because the organic are the proteins, carbohydrates, right, fats. But one thing I remember, Asma Javed, please have a full concentration towards me. मैं उन बताइए Macromolecules yum zana petkin phanli mand rood. Yat written tate one. I have told you that a retentate contains the macromolecules. They are the proteins, they are the polysaccharides. Magar at os ak exceptional case check. Remember this. This is very important. It has been asked in the NEET question. That is the lipid. That is the lipid. Right? What we called it, this is a simply the fats. We will call it in a simple language the fats. Right? Yat fats vanana, charvi vananche is kosher point, those lipids. मगर इमन लिपिड हुंद molecular weight it is about 800 daltons. It is about the 800 daltons. Asma Javed, is this lipid a micromolecule or the macromolecule? Sabia, Maria Shakil, Masrat Muhammad, Shokinar Sharik. Right? Come on, come on.
No, sir.
Is this a micromolecule or the macromolecule? Because of its molecular weight. Because of its. Magar Asma Javed, please remember it here. Where did when we have filtered the tissue? When we have filtered the tissue, the filtrate was a macromolecule, retentate was a macromolecule, but lipid was found in the retentate. If it has, this is a confusing, but understand it. This is in the retentate and it will be regarded as a macromolecule. But while measuring its molecular weight, it has only the 800 daltons. It has only the 800 daltons. What was later on found? What was later on found? Either these lipids are insoluble in water. These lipids are insoluble in water. You can see, Asma Javed, when you have meat, take a fat and put it into the water. This is totally insoluble. This is totally insoluble. And when we have crushed them, when we have grinded them in a mortar and a pestle, and it forms the vesicles with the trichloric acetic acid, and so they remain in the retentate. So they remain in the retentate, and they are the macromolecules. What are these? Yes. Yes, what are these? Asma Javed? What in practically we can show? These are the macromolecules. These are the macro because of this weight. These are the macromolecules. But this is an exception in the macromolecules. They have been, because of the retentate, they have been included in the macromolecules. MACRO. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Crystal clear to you? Crystal clear to you? Asma Javed, please help me. Please help me and repeat these things so that they can understand it. Come on.
सर जो रिटन टेट होते हैं उनका जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट होता है वो 10,000 डाल्टन्स होता है, वो 10,000 डाल्टन्स होता है, और जो फिल्ट्रेट होते हैं उनके जो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट होता है वो 18 to 1000 डाल्टन होता है. जब फिल्ट्रेट पे देखा, जब वो लिपिड्स देखा तो वो रिटन टेट में थे, लेकिन उनका जो वेट था 800 डाल्टन. वो माइक्रो में आना चाहिए, लेकिन जब वो देख रहे थे वो इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर था, इसलिए वो ऊपर आ गए थे. ये एक एक्सेप्शनल
Case in the macromolecules. In the macro, they have the low molecular weight. They have the low molecule. They should be in the macromolecule, but they have been included. Right? So, what these right? These are the organic compounds. Filtrate and a retentate. These are the organic compounds. Now, I have already told you that the biomolecules are in the organic as well as inorganic compounds. This tissue we have taken, Asma Javed, this tissue we had taken, and we grinded it in a mortar and a pestle, with a pestle, right? And now what happened? See what happened. If this inorganic compound is, if this tissue is taken, right, and it is being dried, it is being dried, water will be taken out, water will be taken out, and when the water will be taken out, it is again dried in the oven, and then it is burnt, then it is burnt. What will come to us, Asma Javed, Maria Shikil, what will come to us? This tissue is now burnt. What will be formed here? What will be formed here? What will be formed? Right? What will be formed there? There will be the ash,
and
right? What is in Kashmiri called the ash?
yes, sir. Soor.
Very good, very good, very good, Maria. Very you are excellent, Maria. Maria, Asma Javed, did you understand what does this mean? This ash?
Yes, sir.
Right, very good. So what is in the ash? What is in the ash? What was it found? That it contains the potassium, sodium. We have dried it from the water, and these and ash. Rather, we will call it the ash. Ash is an inorganic compounds. And what are in the inorganic compounds? These were the minerals. These were the minerals, and these are the inorganic compounds. Organic compounds, the filtrate and the retentate. Macromolecules, macromolecules. These were the organic compounds. And what is the inorganic compounds? The minerals, that is in the form of the sodium, potassium, water, etc. These are the inorganic compounds in the living tissue. A practical done by us. What was? We take the pestle and the mortar, grinded it, and then burnt it. We have taken the organic as well as the inorganic compounds. Right? Right? About, Asma Javed, about 24 minerals. About the 24 minerals have been seen in at the animal tissue. These include these what are called the potassiums, sodium, right? These ions were present, and these are the inorganic compounds. Understand this? Clear to this? Sabia, Shokina,
Yes.
everyone, is this crystal clear to you? Is this crystal? You should understand. In Shariaz, why you remain silent? In Shariaz, why you remain silent? Right?
कुछ नहीं बस ऐसे ही.
Right? And is it crystal clear to you, Insha? Maria, Asma
sir.
Javed, is this crystal
Yes,
clear to
sir.
you? Right? I have explained you organic, inorganic, macromolecules, macromolecules, the Dalton's weight, right? Filtrate, retentate, right? Asma Javed, Asma Javed, is any
sir.
doubt? Is any doubt? Is that we have
No,
made
sir.
practically we have made a celery that this Maria has called, it's Kashmiri called it jut, right? Jut. And this pestle and mortar, we have grinded it and formed this jut, and we have taken the macromolecules and the macromolecules by dissolving this in the trichloroacetic acid, right? Did you understand everything? Did you understand everything? Right?
Yes, sir.
I, see, so though we have discussed the life, so we can define, first of all we have discussed the soil, then compared it with the life, right? We have defined that both these things contain the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but there is a abundance, there is a higher level in the living things. So what we have seen, the micromolecules, macromolecules, organic compounds, and the inorganic compounds. Life is then the interaction of these molecules. Bane na life? Yani life bane yel interact upon which kara molecules interact kara organic and inorganic compounds, micromolecules and macromolecules yel interaction upon which kara so bane life til. Bane na life tal, doesn't it mean this is life? So it is the interaction of these molecules forms the life. Forms the life. And
Right.
see see why this Asma Javed, these biomolecules that participate, See, the metabolic activities are going on in our body, right? Metabolism is going on in our body. The different compounds, the different chemicals, the different substances interact one another and form the new substances. And form the new substance. What it is called? It is called the biomolecules that interact, that participate in the metabolic reactions. These biomolecules, like the proteins, lipids, inorganic as well as the macromolecules, organic compounds, inorganic compounds, that interact and participate in the metabolic reactions in their life, in an life, and these are called the metabolites. Those biomolecules that participate in a metabolic activities, metabolic reactions in a body, are called the metabolites. Asma Javed, I will give the example. Hey, is there any in your family, in your relation, in your neighborhood, the sugar patients? Maria Javed, you have been seen. Yes, Maria Shakil, Masrat Muhammad, you have seen in the morning the large number of the people making the morning walks. Most of them have the sugar problem. You will ask them, most
Yes,
of
sir.
them have the sugar problem. So what does it mean? What does this? Have you studied what? How does this sugar is? And why they are walking? Why they are running in the morning or the evening, making the evening walks or the morning walks? Have you ever been thought about it? Why they have been prescribed to make the exercise during their daytime, right? Why is it they? Why is it they? Because they have what we were discussing, the metabolic activities, the metabolic reactions about these biomolecules that do take place in our body, that do take place. उनमें क्या होता है? उनमें यही metabolic disorder होता है. ये metabolic in our body. Maria, Asma Javed, in our body, the chemical reactions are going in a controlled manner. In a controlled manner, they are forming the life supporting the chemicals in our body, life supporting chemicals in our body. But what happens in the sugar patients? Their reactions are going uncontrolled. That is not in their control, and that is why sugar is known as it is known. This is not any disease, but it is a metabolic disorder. Metabolic disorder, because these biomolecules are interacting to one another, forming what? Forming the life, forming the metabolic activities, and carrying on the life. And these chemicals, these substances that participate in the chemical reactions in our bodies are known as the metabolites. Differentiate here into biomolecules and the metabolites. Those biomolecules that participate in the metabolic reactions are known as the
Okay.
metabolites. There are the two types of the metabolites. There are the two types of the metabolites. One is the primary metabolite and the secondary metabolite. Primary metabolite means those substances that help for the normal physiology of our body, that act for the normal physiology of our body. And and what are the secondary metabolites? What remains in our body, and later on they have helped us, for example, to make these medicines, or to make other things from that come from these plants and the animals, and these are known as the secondary metabolites. These are known as a second. I do have in my library, please. I will show you just now. I will show, please. The table is in my these are the components. That is the percentage. This is the percentage. Asma Javed, see. Water, how much percentage it is? Proteins, how many percentage? Carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and the ions. That is the inorganic substances. Right? Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
And these primary and the secondary metabolites I do have. The pigments are there, we are using it. Alkaloids, morphine is there, as it's a painkiller. Toxins are there, and the drugs we are taking from the plants. These are secondary metabolites. Polymer, rubber gum, cellulose. These are also the secondary metabolites. So I will repeat, I will make in a recapitulate. I am recapitulating it that we have studied the biomolecules, we have studied the cellular pool, we have studied the aqueous and the non-aqueous, organic, non-aqueous, micromolecules, macromolecules, how many daltons the macromolecules have, how many daltons the micromolecules have. We have studied the organic and what are the inorganic compounds, and we have studied also the metabolites. And from all this we stated that the life is an interaction of these substances. Interaction of these substances. Is this okay? Is this okay to all of
Yes,
you?
sir.
So I am concluding this session. Shall I conclude this session?
Yes, sir.
Right? Shall I conclude this session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Asman Javed,
Yes, sir.
shall I